Hello friends, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am Ginny and you are watching Polly's Paper Studio. So for today we have a very special video. We are going to be drawing the name of the winner of our 12 Days of Christmas in July contest. We'll be giving away this beautiful easel card, and also we are going to be joined by our special guest, the Tech Hubby, who will be graciously helping me to draw the name of the winner of our contest. And before I begin, I do want to thank each and every one of you for participating in this series. All of the kind comments and thumbs up have really meant the world to me, and I am so thankful for all of you, and I love you all. I just wanted to also mention that we have a fair few new followers, and I wanted to wish you all a very warm welcome. I hope you consider sticking around and joining us while we continue to add new content for our channel. So without further ado, okay, Tech Hubby, will you be so kind as to draw the name of the winner of our easel card prize?
Okay, are you ready? So the first name is Dawn Sunshine. I'm not going to try pronouncing that last name.
Dawn Sunshine Lassiter. Congratulations, Dawn. You are the winner of the prize from Polly's Paper Studio. And now we have a special surprise. Ginger has reached out to me from my sister Scrapper. We paired up on the day we made our loaded pockets, and she shared with me that she would also like to be involved in the giveaway. So Tech Hubby is graciously going to draw another name for me, and that will be the winner of Ginger's gorgeous loaded pockets. So take it away, Tech Hubby.
All right. Uh-oh. The second winner is LaWanda Martin.
Awesome. Okay, congratulations going out to Dawn Sunshine Lassiter and LaWanda Martin. Can you please reach out to me with a private message to the Polly's Paper Studio Facebook and let me know your shipping information so we can get these prizes out to you. So two things before I go. I did want to thank the Tech Hubby for all that he does behind the scenes to help me produce this series and get it out for you all, and I can't do it without him. So big thumbs up and thanks to the Tech Hubby. And also thank you to Ginger from my sister Scrapper for joining with me on our loaded pocket video. It was so much fun to collaborate with her. Make sure that you run over and watch her videos and make sure that you subscribe to her channel. She is crazy talented and super nice and just a lovely person in general. So you do want to make sure that you are following Ginger at my sister Scrapper as well. You're going to find a link for her channel in the description below so you can find her easily. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up. Leave me a comment, and if you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you will be alerted every time we add new content. And as always, I'm wishing you a happy and productive day, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye!